a quiet person, but he has a great sense of humor.
Okay.
When he wants to kind of talk, he has a great sense of humor. So Okkarulu, I had some really good, I think, shooting the fight sequence, you know, the running and all that. Really good scene.
Mahesh Babu was more like a friend. He broke again the mold, you know. He was not your typical Tollywood hero. He would interact with you. He would chat. He reminded me, like I used to say, he's the Hrithik Roshan of Tollywood. You know, he had the fair looks, and he again broke the mold of the stereotype of what you expect from a Tollywood hero.
Mahesh Babu?
Mahesh Babu is amazing. I love him. He's one of my favorites, really. He's and we had a great. What I liked about him was he made me feel very nice because I felt respected me as an artist. I felt that from him, you know, and for a superstar to give me that kind of importance, it's amazing. That a lot of people may not do. And even otherwise, Mahesh is someone, I don't think too many people know this, I have known since I think when he was in Chennai, when I was in college. Because I think he grew up for most of his part in Chennai. So through mutual friends, we knew each other, and at that time, neither of us, it was barely high by, and we never knew we were going to be in the film industry. And such a professional actor. There were times when we've shot very grueling sequences, and after 8 I used to be like, I want to go, I'm tired, and he would just sit there till 10:30 p.m. starting from early morning, that, you know, I started feeling guilty working with him. Like, if he's doing this, I have no right to say anything. And I've never seen him even go to his vanity van. Never. He will be on set, whether it's my scene or a comedian scene or a combination, he would just sit in front of the monitor. So non-interfering, would let an actor just be.
Pokhari was unbelievably special. It has so many memories. It's really hard to cram all of that into a 20-second video. I'm already at 20 seconds. But I just want to say it was amazing. It was memorable. It'll always be special. And here's hoping we can do something very soon in the future. But for now, I wish you lots of love and amazing good wishes and all the very best.
Personally, because I was on the set, so I know that the main reason why Dookudu is as big a success as it is today is because of the great connection between the director and the hero. I think that's phenomenal. I've never ever seen it before. It's like, even if Sinu Atlagaru goes away for 5 minutes, Mahesh Babu would follow him. That kind of a connection I have never seen before, and that is the reason why this film is what it is today. And it's an honor for me to be able to see them two work the way they did for this film, and I think that is my greatest achievement, for me to be able to learn from them. And also Mahesh gave me the best advice. I don't know if you remember, but you said treat every film like it's your first film, and I think that advice is the best advice that I've ever got. So
the most lovely thing about working with him is he brings a lot of positivity and a good energy, and even though he's such a big star at the star, our attitude, our baggage, him ledu, he's very relaxed to speak to, speaks to everyone freely, but very focused in the work. So it's not like he's just relaxed, you know. He's very focused in the work. So it's been a very good experience.
Okay.
And he's very well mannered.
Likewise?
No, I'm not as well mannered as him. He's extremely well mannered.
Okay.
Yeah. I think with him, one thing is I feel that he's very focused in his work. He's extremely determined about what he's doing. I think behind the scenes, I think he's very quiet and reserved. Generally, it seems like he's very calm and relaxed. But I think inside, while he's working, you can see he's very, very driven.
He's a perfectionist. Like he works very hard and he never complains till he gets the perfect shot. He'll keep giving retakes and he'll do it to perfection till he's satisfied. So he's a total perfectionist. And Mahesh is a fitness freak.
Really?
Fitness freak. We spoke about nutrition, we spoke about workouts, and he is obsessed with his workouts.
Okay.
And he is very conscious about the kind of food he eats. And he's actually very fun-loving, and he has a very good sense of humor. So it's a lot of fun to work with him. Because he's joking around, he's pulling people's leg. He's very easy.
It was really nice, you know, Nenu and Kishore garu chala lot of fun on the sets, lot of joking around. He's very andriki teliyana vishayam entante ayanaki sense of humor is into 100. పీక్స్ లో ఉంటుంది అది ఎవరికి కనిపించదు ఎవరికి తెలియదు
అవును, ఆ angle తెలీదు, నిజమే.
నేను ఓన్లీ ఒకరితో కొంచెం అలవాటు ఉంటే ఆయన ఆ సైడ్ ని ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అయితే సెట్ లో ఎక్కడైనా నవ్విన సౌండ్ వస్తే ఆయన అక్కడ ఉంటారు. ఖచ్చితంగా హిస్ సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమర్ ఇస్ అమేజింగ్. సో పంచ్లు అయితే ఇంపాసిబుల్. అదే మన పైన పంచ్లు వేస్తే అదే మనం వెళ్ళి అయ్యో బావ వద్దు ప్లీజ్ సారీ నన్ను వదిలే అలాంటి పని చేస్తారు.
ఓ మై గాడ్, అయితే మీ మీద పడ్డాయి అన్నమాట.
నేను ప్రార్థన చేస్తాను, ప్లీజ్ ఈ రోజు నా రోజు ఉండకూడదు, ఇది నా పైన ఉండకూడదు ఈ రోజు.
ఓ మై గాడ్. ఓ
Yeah, he has a great sense of humor.
Mahesh sir is just, he's so humble, he's so chilled out. You know, he doesn't come on set like I'm this big superstar. He comes like, hi, good morning, talks to everybody. So now seeing the love and the respect and how they're putting garlands on the posters and all, and I was like, oh my god, now I know why he's such a big superstar. You know, even with Mahesh sir, he will never, he's a big superstar and you can feel it in his aura, but he'll never let you feel like I'm a big star and all. He's very chilled out and very cool on set, and you know, he'll crack jokes, he'll talk to you. The first time I met him, he was like, don't call me sir and all, and I was like, I can't not call you sir, it just comes naturally.
నాకు మహేష్ బాబు కూడా చాలా ఇష్టం. ఆయనతో పని చేశాను ఆగడులో. హీఈస్ అమేజింగ్. అండ్ భరత్ అనే నేను చూసాను, నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం.
భరత్ అనే నేను చూశాను. సో మహేష్ బాబు వాజ్ లైక్ ఇంత మంచిగా తయారయ్యారా అని. లైక్ జస్ట్ స్టండ్ లుకింగ్. అంటే నేను సినిమా చూస్తున్నానా ఇంతకీ మహేష్ బాబు చూస్తున్నానా నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. దిస్ ఇస్ సెల్ఫ్ కన్ఫెషన్. అట్లే చూస్తున్నాను. సినిమా అయిపోయిందా సినిమా అట్లా నమ్మొచ్చి లే అయిపోయింది.
ద సూపర్ స్టార్, the superstar Mahesh Babu. It's been a pleasure to work with you. Whenever I tell people that I'm working with you, they only say two things. One is that he's so good looking. And they say, oh my god, he's such a big superstar. And I think you've brought your superstardom to this film. Rishi is you are Rishi, and like the film is because of you. And I think like if there's anything, I've learned so much from him. The way his voice modulation, everything is so amazing. But what I think you all don't know about him is that he can be a very good director someday. Like, I don't know if that's in your book someday, but I genuinely think that the way he looks at scenes sometimes is so different, and maybe he can be like this amazing
Mahesh sir, namaste sir. Sir, how are you sir? Good sir. Sir, next time I will try not to irritate you so much sir. Next time. But oh my god, I was so intimidated when I first met you. I was so scared of you when I first met you sir. But after irritating you so much, I think now I'm like, okay, sir is awesome, sir is cool. He's so cute, he's so sweet as you only. Pakka.
ఫస్ట్ టైం నా లైఫ్లో ఫస్ట్ డే ఫస్ట్ షో చూసాను. ఇలా ఉంటుందని నాకు నిజంగా తెలియదు. మహేష్ గారు, ఐ డెంట్ సీ యూ ఇన్ ద థియేటర్. రియలీ ఇట్ వాజ్ ఓన్లీ పేపర్స్ మధ్యలో అక్కడక్కడ కనిపించింది. ఇలాగే చూస్తారా మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ అనేది, అండ్ వాట్ లవ్ దే హ్యావ్ ఫర్ యూ ట్రూలీ బ్లెస్డ్, ఐ మస్ట్ సే. ఛాన్సే లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మహేష్ బాబు గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఒక సూపర్ స్టార్ అన్నట్టే ఉంటాడు సెట్లో. చాలా సాఫ్ట్, డౌన్ టు ఎర్త్, అండ్ ఆ పెద్దవాళ్ళ నాకు గౌరవం. కృష్ణ గారు ఎలాగో సేమ్ బాబు కూడా అంతే. ఆ మర్యాద, డైరెక్టర్లకి రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వడం, ఆర్టిస్టులకి రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వడం, అసలు నిజంగా వండర్ఫుల్. బాబు గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఇంకా ఎక్కువే చెప్పాలి.
ద మోస్ట్ హ్యాండ్సమ్ మ్యాన్ ఐవ్ ఎవర్ సీన్ ఇన్ మై లైఫ్. సో ఇంత అందగాడిని నేను ఇంతవరకు చూడలేదు. యూఆర్ అన్ యాక్టర్, బట్ మోర్ దెన్ దట్ ఫర్ మీ యూఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ హ్యాండ్సమ్ మ్యాన్. హ్యాపీ.
Tell me your favorite actors.
In Tollywood, it's Mahesh Babu.
What is this?
this fondness for Mahesh Babu. Everybody you ask, they are like Mahesh Babu. What?
తెలుగు అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం అండి చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి. ఎందుకంటే అది చాలా స్వీట్. నేను మా మదర్ టంగ్ తమిళ్, కానీ తెలుగు అంటే ఆ స్వీట్నెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది నాకు అనిపించింది. సో చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి చాలా సినిమా చూశాను. నా ఫేవరెట్ మహేష్ బాబు. సో చాలా డైలాగ్స్ కూడా నేను యునో చదువుకున్నాను. సో ఐ ఆల్వేస్ వాంటెడ్ టు డూ ఐ వాంట్ టు బీ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్స్.
ఫేవరెట్ హీరో మహేష్ బాబు. నాకు గుర్తుంది యాక్చువల్లీ, నేను ఒక్కడు ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసినప్పుడు ఐ బికేమ్ అ హ్యూజ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ హిస్. అండ్ మ్యూజిక్ సీడీ తెచ్చుకొని ఐ యూస్ టు లిసన్ టు ద సాంగ్స్ ఎవ్రీ డే. సో యా, ఐఎమ్ అ హ్యూజ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ మహేష్ బాబు.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను తెలుగు సినిమా బిఫోర్ ఐ జాయిన్ 2011లో యూనో, దానికి ముందు నాకు తెలుగు సినిమా గురించి అస్సలు నా నాలెడ్జ్ ఇంత కూడా ఉండదు. యూనో, అమ్మకి షీ న్యూ తెలుగు అండ్ షీ వుడ్ వాచ్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్స్. అమ్మ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్స్ చూసేటప్పుడు ఐ బి లైక్, ఎందుకు ఇలాంటి సినిమా చూసినా నాకు అర్థం కాదు, ఛానల్ మార్చండి నేను చెప్తాను. బట్ అట్ దట్ టైమ్ ఐ యూస్ టు సీ I'd only seen Mahesh Babu and Chiranjeevi garu. There's only two actors I'd ever seen in Telugu. This was back in 2010 alantivi. I really liked watching Mahesh Babu on screen. You know, tanu acting lo kuda, he's a very subtle actor. You know, he's very like when he opens his mouth and talks also, it's very like, మీరు చాలా హాలీవుడ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చూసేటప్పుడు యూ విల్ సీ ది యాక్టర్స్ they're not very loud. They're not very, మా తెలుగు సినిమాలో we're very loud, very ఎక్కువ gestures యూస్ చేస్తాం మనం, ఎక్కువ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్తో. దట్స్ హౌ వి ఇండియన్స్ ఆర్. when you see హాలీవుడ్ ఫిల్మ్స్, వాళ్ళు తక్కువ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్తో, తక్కువ మౌత్ మూమెంట్స్తో అని చేస్తారు. and I really like that about him. I really like that his acting is very subtle. It's very like, you know, even when he's warning ఒక విలన్ని వార్న్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా, it's more in his voice than in his expressions and in the way he says things, and I think that's really nice. It's very different.
My dream hero is in Telugu it's Mahesh Babu, and in Bollywood it's...
Who am I to say anything about his screen presence? You know, it's definitely magnetic, and there are very few people who you know, when they're on screen, you feel like you have an interaction with them, when they're mouthing their dialogues or when they're in emotional or sentimental scenes, and that's what it is. I think his performance speaks volumes of his screen presence, and he's just amazing. He's evergreen.
Favorite hero, Bollywood or Tollywood?
You're wasting my time in that. ఆ టైంలో ఆలోచించుకొని ఆన్సర్ చెప్తాను. నో, యూ హావ్ టు టెల్ 1 2.
ఓకే, మహేష్ బాబు. ఇన్
ఏ హీరోయిన్స్ నచ్చుతారు మీకు?
అంటే ఇప్పుడున్న
వాళ్ళు చెప్పండి, మీరు పనిచేసిన హీరోస్ అయినా పర్వాలేదు.
మహేష్ బాబు ఇస్ వెరీ నైస్. శ్రీమంతుడు చూసాను రీసెంట్ గా.
Yeah, because I have a few Telugu friends.
Okay.
So they dragged me into that Agdu film, and I actually really liked it.
Okay.
I loved it. Yeah, Mahesh Babu. He's my favorite.
I like his movie and the way he presents himself and everything he does on screen. It's like awesome. So, my favorite hero ever ante Mahesh.
I have only one favorite, that's Mahesh Babu. Otherwise, I have no favorites.
Mahesh Babu garu, you know, he's like, yeah, once I landed in Andhra first time, Hyderabad, I see his so many stars flexes, I fall in love with Mahesh Babu. So once I get a song with him, of course, I will do. And that's a traditional song, so I'm like so lucky.
నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం మహేష్ బాబు గారు.
Favorite hero in Tollywood would be Mahesh Babu. I think he's very handsome, and yeah, definitely it has to be him. He's my favorite hero in Tollywood.
I'm a big fan of Mahesh Babu. I really like him. I've seen some films and his ad campaigns and all. I think I really personally really like him. I'm like a fan of Mahesh Babu. Yes, I am. That's my all-time favorite.
work பண்ணனும்னு ஆசை.
Mahesh Babu.
ஓ, ஓகே. நடிகர் பாலகிருஷ்ணா.
He's also a very nice actor, but எனக்கு பிடிச்சது మహేష్ బాబు. Big huge fan of Mahesh Babu.
డ్రీమ్ హీరో అని ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా?
డ్రీమ్ హీరో
అంటే వాళ్ళతో చేయాలి.
తెలుగులో మహేష్ బాబు.
తెలుగులో మహేష్ బాబు.
Always every girl's favorite Mahesh Babu. What to do?
I don't know how many people are actually jealous of me. ఎంత మంది ఛాన్స్ కొట్టేసావు కదా అనేసి. Had fun.
Okay.
ఓకే టర్కీ తిరిగాను, స్విట్జర్లాండ్ తిరిగాను, మహేష్ బాబు గారిని హగ్ చేసుకున్నాను.
Yes, I could see that. I could see that excitement. ఎక్కడ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చూస్తున్నాను.
No, because seriously, I'm like, come on. It is and it was a big project. So I think all in all, it worked out positive.
Yeah. Whom do you badly wish to work with in Tollywood?
Mahesh Babu sir.
His last movie was what, Agadu, right? Yeah. With Tamanna and all of that. And I think he is just so, he still has that boyish charm, you know, within him.
Forever, I
He's
guess.
just so attractive. I'm sure many others would agree with me. And I still think he has a very good gravity about himself. Very good persona. So I would love to tell that to him and
want to work with. I think Mahesh Babu is really.
Of course, there's Mahesh Babu, a huge star. These are people who I really admire, and I think they do some amazing work. And you know, they're like timeless. They just keep doing amazing work, keep surprising their audiences.
వాళ్ళు నటించకపోయినా నాకు ఆ మహేష్ బాబు ఇష్టం, అందరికీ తెలుసు. అది ఏం చేసినా మహేష్ బాబుని చూస్తాను. నాకు ముద్దుగా ఉంటాడు కాబట్టి ఆ మురారిని చూస్తూ ఉంటాను. అవును, నాకు చాలా.
On my way to watch Spider, రెండు లాంగ్వేజెస్ లో బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ చూస్తున్నా, ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కసారి చూస్తే మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చూడాలని చెప్పేసి మహేష్ బాబు గారు.
Mahesh Babu, I think, is the perfect superstar, and he's a perfectionist because I haven't worked with Amir Khan, so I don't know. You know, people say that he is a perfectionist, but to me, I think Mahesh Babu is the perfectionist, and he just, even if there's this extra blink in a scene, he says, "No, we'll take another one," because that blink is changing what the.
Even though at his, reach.
I think that's so. You know, he takes care of those minute details which makes him that.
I think I have always really liked Mahesh Babu as an actor. I think firstly, I think he's also Bollywood material. I think he can any day go into Hindi.
Too.
Yeah, totally. He's a really great actor. Yeah. He performs very spontaneously and he's pretty good looking. So yeah, it's been.
Shouldn't I realize that when I don't answer, I want one guy who's your hero. Yeah. But I would like to work with Mahesh Babu.
Your favorite hero?
Hindi, it'll be Amir Khan.
Telugu?
3 of them.
Only one? No options.
It'll be Mahesh Babu.
I've seen 2 of Mahesh Babu's, and I'm a big fan. Like he can do everything basically on screen, which is like something I'm like, wow. He can do drama, he can do emotional, he can do comedy, and he still looks like this like fantastic hero. It's he is, I think, the epitome of hero. You know what I mean? Like he can do everything.
Oh God, I was too starstruck. And then, but the great thing about Mahesh Babu is he makes you feel at ease instantly. You know, you come with all this, notions of him being a superstar, which he is, but then instantly he just, makes you cool off. And then from there, it's been a magical experience for me.
Work చేసిన హీరోస్ లో who is your favorite?
I can't say any favorite as such. I mean, I liked working with all of them. So no favorite.
No favorites. All of best.
Yes, but there's one favorite that I have yet not got a chance to work with. That's Mahesh Babu.
Oh, Mahesh Babu.
So my favorite star in Tollywood, I don't think I have one. I have quite a few. I really like Mahesh Babu's work.
Do you have any
I watched
favorites?
Agadu.
Agadu.
In the cinemas there.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have a few Telugu friends.
Okay.
So they dragged me into that Agadu film, and I actually really liked it.
Okay.
I loved it. Mahesh Babu is my favorite.
With him, but first movie నాకు ఆయనతో యాక్ట్ చేసే ఆపర్చునిటీ వచ్చింది, అండ్ మహేష్ బాబు గారు I think he has the best sense of humor, and I think that's why he is my
favorite actor is Mahesh
Who do you badly wish to work with in Tollywood?
Mahesh Babu sir.
Favorite actor Mahesh Babu. Super
Tall, handsome, charming.
Yeah, he's my favorite actually. Yeah. So hoping to work with him.
Oh wow.
Of course, we are waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting.
We know you admire Mahesh Babu too, because in a previous encounter you told me the same thing.
Well, yeah, I know.
I admire him as an actor.
మహేష్ బాబు గారు చాలా జాలీ టైప్. ఎలా అంటే సెట్స్ లో ఆయన ఉంటే నవ్వుతూనే అనిపిస్తుంది. ఆయన వాయిస్, ఆయన పెక్యులర్ నవ్వు ఉంటుంది, ఆ నవ్వు సెట్స్ లో వినిపిస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. లైక్ చైల్డ్ స్మైల్ అంటారు కదా, అలా చాలా ప్యూర్ గా నవ్వుతూ ఉంటారు ఆయన ఎప్పుడు.
I love Mahesh Babu's work. I watched Pokhri. It was wonderful. The superstar of the industry. He's an amazing actor, and I think our chemistry was great on screen, and we had a lot of fun working together. He's a very sweet person, and of course, he's the superstar of Telugu industry.
Act with Mahesh Babu. Meet with
Favorite hero here?
Oh God. Mahesh.
I mean, you like Tollywood, Telugu movies?
Of course, I love it. Definitely, I really respect, Telugu films and such some great actors like Mahesh Babu and all over here who are doing such amazing work. It's great to see them on screen.
The South film industry makes amazing films and amazing talent, and so many of the actors that are there are amazing. I watch a lot of their films, Vikram, Vijay, Mahesh. So I think there's some amazing people down there, and they're doing good work.
Admire the most?
Who I admire the most, I definitely, because I've worked with Rajni sir, and because he had such a vast variety of films that have been so entertaining over the years. I am really fond of his movies. And other than that, I think there's Mahesh Babu, who I really like. Yeah.
Any specific actor or actress you would want to work with? I think Mahesh Babu is really cute.
Favorites?
Now, I don't know Telugu or Tamil, but I like Mahesh Babu very much.
Of course, there's Mahesh Babu, a huge star. These are people who I really admire, and I think they do some amazing work. And they're like timeless. They just keep doing amazing work, keep surprising their audiences.
తెలుగులో సినిమాలు చూస్తూ ఉంటారండి? తక్కువ. ఇప్పుడు ఉండే వాళ్ళల్లో నచ్చిన వాళ్ళు గారి అబ్బాయితో బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్
వంశీలో వాళ్ళిద్దరూ చాలా బిజీగా ప్రేమించుకున్నారు, మర్చిపోయారు.
ఇద్దరు మర్చిపోయారు.
They were so bad. Both of us bad. He was at his worst. కెమెరా ఆన్ అంటే అసలు ఎప్పుడు ఆన్ అయిందని తెలియలేదో ఏంటో అసలుకి. అమ్మా, వాస్తవ్ షీ వాస్ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్. వంశీ నో కమెంట్స్.
She was busy falling.
in
love.
They were better behind the camera than in front of the camera.
Mahesh actually is my favorite hero, Telugulo. Hindilo, if you ask me, I think I really like. There are a lot of them. I like Hrithik, I like Ranveer, I like this Nitin, Neel, Mukesh.
Okay.
They are very good actors. But beyond, I think talent-wise, still Mahesh is better than all of them.
So you always think Mahesh is the top? Definitely గా ప్రిన్స్ కింగ్ లాగానే చూసుకుంటారు.
మరి ఏమనుకున్నారు మా కోడలు